The HyperQube Cyber Range is a no-code, drag-and-drop platform where users can build risk-free and can get access to on-demand live infrastructure. With zero infrastructure investment, HyperQube is a simple and cost-effective self-managed solution. Students will develop real-world cyber skills. Educators deliver exceptional learning experiences by creating curricula for their students within a matter of seconds, building safe and immersive environments for their students to learn, inviting their students to collaborate with them in real time, monitoring students' performances and provide assistance when needed, testing new and nascent technologies and sharing best practices, reusing existing environments for further experimentation, accessing HyperQube from anywhere, providing flexibility in an ever-changing world, delivering active learning experiences with real-world training situations and scenarios. The demands for cybersecurity professionals is increasing. With HyperQube, educators can now ensure a superior cyber education and the achievement of desired results for their students. Great instruction provides the best learning experience. Build your world-class cyber program with HyperQube. Schedule your demo today at hypercube.io.